If you thought the sky looked impressive recently, 2026 is about to outdo everything. 4 eclipses, a 6-planet alignment, a possible naked-eye comet, and once-in-a-decade meteor night with zero moonlight. And yes, some of this is happening on the Christmas Eve. This is the Universe Factory, and let's talk about some incredibly rare things that will appear in the sky in this year. Now it starts with February 17th, an annular solar eclipse, the Ring of Fire. The moon won't completely block the sun, leaving a bright ring of sunlight around its edge. Then 2 weeks later on February 20th, something rare will happen. 6 planets line up across in the evening sky. Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus and Neptune. Some visible with the naked eye, others with binoculars. And just days after that, on 3rd March, the moon turns deep red during a total lunar eclipse. 3 major sky events within just 2 weeks, and we are only in March 2026. In late April, Comet C 2025 R3 makes its closest approach to the Sun. Right now prediction says binocular visibility. But because it passes nearly between Earth and the Sun, forward scattering could dramatically brighten it. If that happens, it could suddenly become visible to the naked eye. But comets are unpredictable, that's what makes this one exciting. On 9th June, Venus and Jupiter appear just over 1 degree apart in the evening sky. That's about the width of your pinky finger at your arm's length. They'll be the 2 brightest objects after the Sun and the Moon. No telescope needed, just look west after the sunset in between constellations Gemini and Cancer. Now we reach the highlight of the year, August 12th. A total solar eclipse across the parts of Europe. In Spain, the totality happens just before the sunset, meaning the blackened sun will hang low near the horizon, but that's only half the story. That same night, the Perseid meteor shower peaks. And because a solar eclipse only happens during a new moon, the sky will be completely dark. Perfect meteor conditions. Under the ideal skies, you could see over 100 meteors per hour. A total eclipse by the day, a meteor storm by the night. That combination alone makes 2026 historic. On 24th December, the largest supermoon of 2026 rises on Christmas Eve. About 14% larger and 30% brighter than average. Then just before the year ends, 5 planets gathered in the sky again. This time Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, with the moon passing between them over the holidays. It will feel like the solar system closing the year with one final alignment. 2026 isn't just another year for astronomy. It's a full calendar of rare, perfectly timed events. If you want detailed viewing guides, especially for that August eclipse and meteor night, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to turn on the notifications. I'll be back with yet another super interesting video for you soon. Until the next time, keep looking up, because the sky is about to get very busy.